Hi guys, welcome to this channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to send a one-time view pictures or videos. That means a picture that you can view once and cannot view it more than once. Without wasting much of your time, please do wait to subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your WhatsApp. Once you get to your WhatsApp, allow it to load up, then you go to the particular chat. Is it either your group or a personal chat you want to send the one-time view photos to? Then you tap on the icon where this arrow is pointing at right now. Where is the picture or the video you want to upload? So for the purpose of today's tutorial, I'll be using a picture. Once you get into the picture, you tap on this in the icon where this arrow is pointing at right now. Please pay attention. Once you tap on it, it will not show white, which means it has been active. It is active right now. So the next thing you have to do is click on the send button where the arrow is pointing at right now. Boom, you have made. That is how to do your one-time video view. Once the the person you are chatting with just view it, is only viewing it once, and it cannot work for screenshot. Use it to send something that is important, a file that is very important. That's what you can use it for. So please do wait to subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful, and please share these videos for more people to see.